1. Which ancient Janapada of Himachal Pradesh was mentioned by Panini is Ayodhyaji V. Sangha? The correct answer is Trigarta. 2. The foundation of the Katoch dynasty of Kangra is attributed to which ruler? The correct answer is Sushama Chandra. 3. In which year did Mahmud Ghazni attack and plunder the Nagarkot fort? The correct answer is 1009 Jan 1009. 4. Who was the first Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Yashwant Singh Parmar. 5. The Treaty of Sagoli, which ended the Anglo-Gurkha War, was signed in which year? The correct answer is 1816 Mar 1816. 6. Which Mughal emperor captured the Kangra fort in 1620 AD? The correct answer is Jahangir. 7. The Dhami firing tragedy, which is a dark chapter in HP history, occurred in which year? The correct answer is 1939 July 1939. 8. Himachal Pradesh was formed as a Chief Commissioner's province on which date? The correct answer is the 15th of April 1948. The Pajota movement of 1942 was an extension of which national movement? The correct answer is Quit India movement. 11. Who gave the title of Pahri Gandhi to Baba Kanshi Ram? The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. 12. In which year did Shimla become the summer capital of British India? The correct answer is 1864 Jan 1864. 13. Which district of Himachal Pradesh was formerly known as Chini? The correct answer is Kinnaur. 14. The Battle of Nadon was fought between Raja Bhim Chand of Bilaspur and which power? The correct answer is the Mughals. 15. Who was the first Lieutenant Governor of Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Major General M.S. Himmat Singh Ji. 16. In which year did Himachal Pradesh attain full statehood as the 18th state of India? The correct answer is 1971 Jan 1971. 17. Which princely state was the first to merge with the Indian Union in Himachal? The correct answer is Theog. 18. The famous Viceregal Lodge in Shimla was completed during the tenure of which viceroy? The correct answer is Lord Dufferin. 19. In which year did the Gurkhas under Amar Singh Thapa invade Kangra? The correct answer is 1805 Jan 1805. 20. Who was the ruler of Chamba when it was visited by Hiuen Tsang? The correct answer is Meruvaman. 21. The capital of the ancient kingdom of Kuluta was located at. The correct answer is Nagar. 22. Which Sikh Guru helped Raja Bhim Chand of Bilaspur in the Battle of Nadon? The correct answer is Guru Gobind Singh. 23. The ancient name of Bajanath was. The correct answer is Kirgrama. 24. Who founded the Guler state in Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Hari Chand. 25. Which district of Himachal Pradesh was formed by merging 30 big and small princely states in 1948? The correct answer is Mahasu. 26. The Royarak Art Gallery is located in which place in Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Nagar. 27. In which year was the first Legislative Assembly election held in Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is 1952 Jan 1952. 28. Who was the ruler of Kangra when Firoz Shah Tughlaq besieged the Nagarkot fort in 1360? The correct answer is Roop Chand. 29. Which ruler of Chamba built the Lakshmi Narayan temple? The correct answer is Sahil Vaman. 30. The first capital of the princely state of Sirmaur was. The correct answer is Rajban. 31. In 1809 Maharaja Ranjit Singh and Raja Sansar Chand signed which treaty? The correct answer is Treaty of Jwalamukhi. 32. Which place in Himachal Pradesh is known as the Ajanta of the Himalayas? The correct answer is Tabo Monastery. 33. Who led the Suket Satyagraha in 1948? The correct answer is Pandit Padam Dev. 34. The ancient name of Kangra was. The correct answer is all of the above. 35. The Bilaspur state was merged into Himachal Pradesh in which year? The correct answer is 1954 July 1954. 36. Who founded the town of Mandi in 1527 AD? The correct answer is Ajbar Sen. 37. Under which Reorganisation Act did the hilly areas of Punjab merge with Himachal Pradesh in 1966? The correct answer is Punjab Reorganisation Act. 38. The famous battle between Alexander and Porus had impact on which tribe of HP? The correct answer is Malavas. 39. Which ruler of Busha state stopped paying tribute to the Mughals during Aurangzeb reign? The correct answer is Kahri Singh. 40. The capital of the princely state of Kullu was shifted from Nagar to Sultanpur by? The correct answer is Jagat Singh. 41. The historical building Manavil in Shimla is associated with which personality? The correct answer is Amrit Kaur. 42. Which district was carved out of Mahasu district in 1960? The correct answer is Kinnaur. 43. The Sun Temple in Himachal Pradesh is located at? The correct answer is Meerut. 44. Who was the first governor of Himachal Pradesh after it got statehood? The correct answer is S. Chakravarti. 45. In which year did Tamur Lang invade the foothills of Himachal? The correct answer is 1398 Jan 1398. 46. The historic ground Annandale in Shimla was used for which first sports activity? The correct answer is polo. 47. Who was the leader of the Dhami Satyagraha in 1939? The correct answer is Bhagmal Sautha. 48. Which Himalayan state was the only one to remain independent of Mughal influence? The correct answer is Bushahar. 49. The rock-cut temples of Masroor are located in which district? The correct answer is Kangra. 50. Which pass connects Lahaul and Spiti valleys? The correct answer is Kunzum Pass.